Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil in a Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You might also want some gloves and shop rags. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process, saving you time and effort later on. Let's get started. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your 4Runner using a jack and jack stands or drive it onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old, dark oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug securely. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate the old oil filter, often near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the filler cap. After adding the new oil, replace the oil filler cap and lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off. Wait a moment, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Also, carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly at a local recycling center. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.